So guys, for the first method, your USB may have a physical switch on it that is preventing you from formatting your USB. So you can turn the switch off on your USB and then see if that works for you. Turn off the physical switch on your USB. If your USB does not have a switch on it, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, make sure that your USB is plugged into your computer. Now you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. Now once that loads up, you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. Now you want to find out which is your USB disk. You're going to know it by the size. Now once you identify which disk is your USB, you want to type in select space disk space and then the number of the disk that comes up here. For me, I've only got one disk, so I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on enter after you type in your number. You want to select your USB disk. In your case, you're probably going to have more numbers than me, more disks and more numbers than me. So you want to select your USB disk. And now you want to type in attributes space disk space clear space read only and then click on enter. Now in my case, I did this with my Windows drive because I do not have a USB. That's why I got all of this. But in your case, it should now be saying disk attributes clear successfully and you can now format your USB drive.